How's the boat, Tara?
It's alright. My first time.
Why don't you take us closer to shore?
I don't know.
Or just, just a little bit so you know where you... Going left, going right, just do a little zigzag. Practice.
Oh, see? It's not there anymore. Look, it's not there anymore. It's not up.
Sorry.
Ah, thanks for the
Just think about it. If that, which way do you want to go?
Oh boy, honey.
You're okay. Just keep pushing it that way. Push it that way. Don't when all else fails.
I need
don't.
Papa to do it.
No, we're fine. Look,
Okay.
straighten it out,
Okay.
and don't turn the throttle. Just because it always takes you down to this idle.
Alright.
Don't turn the throttle. Just move.
I wanna go the
Stop.
other
Just
way.
let go of it. Let go of it. Let go of it. There you go. You're going the other way by pushing behind you. We'll edit this. Okay, now take us straight out that way, away from shore. Try to keep it at one speed. There you go. There you go.
Is that okay, Cam?
That's
Can
a
you do it
good
better?
speed right there. Everyone's going to learn, right?